I'm a beginner woodworker, but I had a slab of live edge pine and I needed a desk. This video shows how I turn this into this. What I'm going to start with is trying to sand down some of the chainsaw cuts in it, and then I'm going to basically add a layer of epoxy across this whole thing, keeping the trim of the bark. To cap it all off, I'm going to chuck a couple of hairpin legs I got from Lee Valley, and then we'll have a nice, extraordinarily stylish piece of live edge wood making up a desk.
In every place that I'll be going, I read your words like black, hungry birds read every sowing. Rise and fall.
So I brought the wood in now to warm up before pouring the epoxy. And I also put a little bit of glue in there, clamped on a piece of the bark that was peeling.
Sad music in the night sings a scream of
Wood is leveled, all the supplies ready, but unfortunately could not find a good enough propane torch. This is a heater, not a torch, and I am gonna fight every instinct in my body which says to proceed tonight and actually wait and go buy the correct tool. Okay, here goes nothing.
And voices you might hear appear and disappear.
Good if you see bubbles, it means the mixture is activating.
Short and tall, throw the ball, and my name.
So I dare say that mixture is looking mighty fine. Let's pour, man.
Strings of yellow tears drip from black wired fears in the meadow, and their white halos spin with an anger that is thin and turns to sorrow. King of all, hear me call.
And we've got a few bubbles coming already, so this is where Mr. Sparky comes in.
Hear my name on the phone.
Gonna check back in about 10 minutes for another round of blowtorch, but it seems like a lot of the big bubbles are already gone, so I'm really glad I waited for this.
The painted laughing smile and the turning of the style do not envy.
Okay, 24 hours later. Wow. Okay, so I actually already peeked and I knew that it worked. But there's a few little islands, like right here it still sticks up just a bit. Maybe I should stop while I'm ahead, but I'm going to add one more coat where I'm going to sand this with probably 120 to 300 grit sandpaper. And I'm going to apply one coat of polyurethane.
And the small can't steal the ball to touch the face of carnival. The fat woman frowns at screaming frightened clowns that move enchanted, and the shadow lion waits outside your iron gates with one wish granted.
It's stinky. It's stinky. You wanna grab it?
Colors fall, throw the ball, play the game of carnival.
So here's the desktop. This is after the first coat of polyurethane. Smoothed out some of the spots, but it's still not glassy smooth. So I'm gonna do one more coat of polyurethane, but for that we should give it 24 hours to totally harden. While I wait for that, it's already dry to the touch, so I'm gonna pop on the table legs now.
Without a thought of size, you've come to hypnotize the danger. And the world comes apart, has no single heart when life
It worked. It's sturdy. I'm not totally done. I still would like to do one more coat of polyurethane, but overall, I'm super excited about how this project is
Our
going.
dreams are in the name of carnival.
This isn't the only desk I've built, but it's definitely the best desk I've built. I love how this turned out, and I'd actually love to take on this project again with some bigger pieces of laminate wood. If you have any suggestions about where I can find this, please let me know in the comments. If you're thinking of doing a project like this, my advice to you would just be, if you sand well, follow the instructions for the epoxy, and make sure the surfaces are always dust-free before applying any finish. Your table's gonna turn out awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you do build this yourself, good luck. Please let me know how it goes.